another one. Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVSAUDIO in Roselle, New Jersey. We got another one, 2021 T-Rex Companion, in for full audio upgrade. This one came from Illinois. Just came off the trailer. Customer made it nice and easy for me. He left me very detailed notes on the placement of his LEDs, what he wanted on what zones. I like it when a client knows what he wants. That way it makes it easier for us to be able to provide the service that he needs. So we have everything marked. This is all for the LED accent lighting. He even knew exactly the length of the LED strips he wanted to use. This one's gonna come out super nice.